Touch your friend's shoulder. Touch your friend's nose. Oh, ayaw ibut sa suot sa ilong. Sa babaw lang. Ha? Hands down. Hi! Wait, say hi. You have to say hello. Hi! Hello! Okay. When you say one, everybody jump. One. One. Jump. One. 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 Stand straight. Everybody count from 1 up to 10. Ready? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Clap your hands. Now, we will play The Earth is Shaking. But before we're gonna play, my name is Kuya Jesse or Teacher Jesse. You can call me either names, okay? Are we ready? Are we ready? When I say the earth is shaking, everybody shake your body 3 times. Go, shake, 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 shake. The earth is bouncing. Everybody bounce, bounce. The earth is spinning. Turn around, one time only. Very good. When I say group yourselves by 2. Oh, group yourselves by 2. Oh, there. Okay. Ready? The earth is shaking. The earth is crying. The earth is laughing. Group yourselves by 2. Group yourselves by 1. Group yourselves by 3. Okay, nobody's out. That was only a trial. Ready? The earth is bouncing. The earth is shaking. Group yourselves by 2. Group yourselves by 1. Group yourselves by 3. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Already? The earth is crying. The earth is laughing. Group yourselves by 3. By 1. By 4. By 4. By 4. By 4. By 4. Bye-bye. Take your seat. Move forward. Move forward. Come here. Come here. Ready? The earth